In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons in Adobe Express. Whether you're creating a post, a graphic, or a presentation, incorporating icons can really enhance the visual appeal of your design. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process, making this as effortless as possible for you. First, you'll want to open your design within Adobe Express. Head over to the platform and either open an existing design or start fresh with a new one. You have the flexibility to work on various formats, like a post, a graphic, or even a presentation, depending on your needs. Once you have your design open, you'll want to navigate to the Elements or Design Assets tab. This can be found in the left sidebar of the editor. Adobe Express conveniently organizes icons, shapes, and other assets here. So this is your go-to section for all the visual elements you might need. Now, let's find some icons. Look for the Shapes section, or it might be labeled as Icons, depending on what version you are using. Here, you can browse through a wide array of icon-style elements. Adobe Express makes it easy by grouping icons into various categories, such as animals, food, celebrations, and sports, among others. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, you can also use the search bar. Simply type in a keyword related to the icon you want, such as phone, heart, or arrow, and browse through the results. After you've found the perfect icon, the next step is adding it to your canvas. Simply click on the icon or shape you've chosen, and it will be instantly added to your design. Now, you can drag it around to reposition it wherever you want on your canvas. Use the corner handles of the icon to resize it to your desired dimensions. This gives you the flexibility to experiment until it sits just right with your other design elements. Once the icon is placed on your canvas, it's time to customize it to fit your design perfectly. Adobe Express allows you to change the icon's color to match your theme or aesthetic. You can also adjust the opacity to integrate the icon more subtly into your design. If the icon supports it, you might have the option to modify its border too, which can add a nice touch. Don't forget to explore the layering tools that Adobe provides. You can bring your icon forward or push it backward to arrange it behind or in front of other elements, ensuring that everything fits harmoniously within your composition. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to incorporate icons into your Adobe Express design. By following these straightforward steps, you can enhance your creations, making them more vibrant and engaging. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your next design project.